Yo, what's up, Learn Machines? Welcome to this video. I hope you guys are doing freaking fantastic today. In this video, I want to talk about something very much so anticipated by so many of you guys. That is Crakrevenue plus TrafficJunky, how to make money with it, what to do, how to set up a campaign, how to pick offers, everything like that. By the way, every month I have a new big program coming out, and in the next few days, I have a big one coming out about, it's the new adult marketing secrets course. It's completely revitalized. I mean, totally new content, powerful quality content inside of that one. Everything updated. I mean, you're getting everything ahead of the curve inside that program. So stay tuned for that. All right, let's dive in here. So this right here is Crakrevenue, and it is 28 days into the month. Where's my phone? I don't know. But it's 28 days into the month. That is $85,000. Okay. How I'm doing that, I can explain inside the mentorship, but I also cover it inside the courses. And in general, anyone can replicate that success. It comes down to knowledge, experience, and just being able to pick good offers and also having a good strategy in place. Also having pretty big budgets to be able to make this in 28 days. I basically spent around $20,000. Okay. So that's a really big ROI, not to mention. And I also have other places where I'm monetizing in the back end, but we could go on and on about it. But the more you monetize whatever you're running for the long term, the more money you're going to make. That's just how it goes. Okay. I'm only 22 years old, and it took me a long time, starting at a young age, failing until I finally succeeded. But anyway, this is not about me. This is about you. And I really want to give you an insane value here in this video. So we've got Crakrevenue here, and we've got my test account, okay, for TrafficJunky. Not a test account. This account's just for demonstration purposes for this channel, because if I were to show my real TrafficJunky, I'd have to blur out probably the whole page, okay? Because I don't want to have people see what I'm naming my campaigns and then finding my campaigns and copying me for precisely. But I'm sharing exactly what I'm doing inside my training videos for free and in the courses and everything like this. The thing is, you guys can make money, okay, just doing the free videos I'm teaching on this channel, doing those free methods. You can absolutely make money doing that. Okay, but I want to talk about how to actually build a campaign. So I'm going to move my face over there now and talk about this. So the first step is make a TrafficJunky account. If you have a hard time getting approved for TrafficJunky, then I'm sorry, but sometimes they can have a process. I've had students who've had processes to go through. If they're outside the country, United States, you can have some issues. But here's what you do. First, you add funds, and you can add funds right here. You just click it. They have a lot of payment options, okay? I mean, look at this, okay? This is the one I do, or you could do wire transfer. Those are the two I recommend. But if you have to, then do this one, do this one, do this one. Actually, hold up. I actually do like and recommend this one too. This one's good, okay? You can do that method too. Crypto, I mean, if you want to do crypto, do it. Promo code. If you have a promo code, go ahead and use a promo code. They will always have a promo code available for you guys. So just literally call them, and you're going to get a promo code when you first add funds into your account. So don't forget that. Definitely do that. The next step is you add a creative. Okay, and the reason why is because it will take a day or so to get approved to creative. But this is my demonstration creative for you guys. It says Adult Marketing Secrets. Click here. And that is the most common banner size, by the way, 300 by 250. But if you don't know what your campaign is going to be yet, then you won't have any ads to get approved. So what you need to do is you need to pick an offer. So this is the next process we do. We go over here, and we're going to pick an offer. So there's so many offers here, it's ridiculous. So you can sort by APC, like I talk about a lot. You could sort by the payout. You could do a lot of things, but maybe you just want to do a specific vertical. And so you go here and you could look at all these. What I recommend is all these make money, by the way, but let's just go look at dating, okay? The dating niche. Let's look at what pays out the most here. So whatever pays out the most, you can bet your butt that you're going to earn a very good commission. It's going to work out. The math is going to work out with the ads. Let's say you spend $150 on ads and you make a few sales of this. That's very doable. Okay. So let's say you want to do this one. You click on this one. Let's open up in a new tab here. And here we are. So basically this is seeking arrangement. It's a pay per sale offer. You can get paid $150 per conversion, which is freaking awesome. And it's seeking arrangements. So basically someone who's looking for dating or whatever, we would have to look into a little bit more, but you can scroll down and you can instantly grab a banner. Okay. Now these banners are definitely pretty quality banners if they are available, if they even have banners, okay? Sometimes they won't have banners, but my point is you find an offer, if it has banners, go for it, and you can basically go ahead and go over to TrafficJunky and start uploading your creatives. They get approved within a day or even a few days, and then you're all set, okay? But then you grab your link and you go through the process of building the campaign. If they don't have banners available, though, you're going to go over to canva.com or any other website you want to do that you can create banners with, and you go ahead and you start building your banners yourself, okay? You just add an image, you basically say what's in it for them, you keep it all congruent, you have a button inside the image, okay, that says click here or anything you want right there, okay? And that's kind of what you do right there. Now, let's go back, and after these get approved and everything, you're able to essentially have a campaign, okay, get approved, because then you'd have ads available. So here we are. Okay, so when you name it whatever you want. Okay, that's kind of what I do. I just name it whatever the heck. And then it's a pay-per-sale offer, so you really want to do desktop traffic. You want to do any banner here. Most common is the placement 300 by 250 right here. But the thing is, so many people are doing that, so why not test with something else? You could totally test with this one, okay? And so you keep going through the process, but we're going to click this one since I already have an ad here that for test purposes, for demonstration purposes, it can go through the process. Okay, this offer specifically, if we wanted to promote it, it's this one. And it would be for straight, I believe, okay? And so you do that, advertise to males. You can actually have the options nowadays to do this. In the past, Crakrevenue didn't even have that option. I still was profitable even back then doing this stuff, okay? So it's very, very powerful. Countries, you'd want to look at the offers countries. So accepted countries are all of these. United States is inside that, but let's just say we want to do United Kingdom, okay? So United Kingdom, boom, we add it, it's added. And you can do a bunch of others. And then the next part is your position. So where do you want to show up? I just say all, okay? If you really think that one's going to outperform the others, great, but you really want to just have all, okay, selected. Browsers, just do all browsers. Next, you just continue, okay? You just keep it simple and do the main things that really matter and really make a difference, like the targeting, the country, and stuff like that. Next thing is it's a static banner, okay? It could be a video banner, but static is totally fine. You're going to get fine results just with that. It all comes down to the offer. The traffic's fantastic, and the only time anything's not going to work is if the offer doesn't work. It's all about the offer, bro. And the strategy matters too, okay? Now, you would get your link, and so here we are. Let's grab our link. We copied it, boom. Now you just go ahead and you paste your link, dude. Okay, and direct linking is very common with adult and especially Crakrevenue. But if you want to do some sort of a funnel, you can do a funnel, but it requires more experience, more know-how, and more long-term investment. I like to do funnels. That's just me. Okay, you select your creatives super simply. Boom, they're approved. This one's for demonstration purposes, so we use that image. Okay, and now we confirm our ads. And the only reason, guys, I'd even do this channel and teach you guys stuff is because I like to network with you guys. It's another income stream, teaching my expertise, and I love to give value to you guys. Literally, those are like the three main reasons. But it's very, very fun to be able to network with other like-minded individuals in this industry specifically, because there's so few people that actually know what they're doing. Okay, there's a lot of channels out there, kind of, but there's so few people that actually understand this stuff, and it's so cool to be a part of it. I remember it was my dream growing up to even make even $1 with CPA marketing. I was able to crack the code at a very young age and keep it going. And I'm making over $300,000 a month. And I don't want to even share any results that are higher than that, because when you get really big, you don't want to talk about and show higher results than that. Okay. So we save and continue. Okay. It changed my life, guys, literally, and it's changed so many people's lives. The moment they learn from someone that is crushing it and they're able to crush it, that is the best feeling in the world, okay? I thank all my mentors. I had mentors like Ty Lopez was a big one. He has some of the best courses out there. I don't care what anyone says. That dude is literally one of the best mentors I've ever had. He's literally buying huge businesses right now. I mean, it's ridiculous. I have had other mentors that are lesser known, but huge influences on my life. But anyway, it's not about me, it's about you in this video. So here we go. So the amount you'd want to pay for this is what I would do, is I would do $150 a day because I have higher budget. But if it was anyone here, just run it for 3 days at $50 and you can get enough data up to $150, and you can have enough data after 3 days running to know if you get a conversion, or at least more importantly, know who's clicking, know what banners are working, what placements are working, and everything about your data on the front end. You won't need a tracker. Some people hate on me for saying I don't use a tracker, but it's so funny because inside of your traffic source data, you're actually getting the data that you really need. And then on the other end, you're getting the data also of what's converting. Okay, so on both ends, you're getting the data you need. So there you go. But if you want to use a tracker to basically redirect to different affiliate offers and split test that way, you totally can do it for that. Max daily budget, you can customize that if you want. I never touch that. And then the max bid, you can increase your bid to be more competitive, but I just leave it at it as is, and then I confirm the campaign and run it. But I really do recommend in this case to do the exact number of what the offer pays out. So this offer pays out $150, and so you would spend equivalent to that per day, okay, and split test your ads. After 3 days running, or even if you want to do it for a week, you have to be an adaptable person. You have to be a great marketer and experiment and test a lot. But in general, the more data you get, let's say you spend $2,000 on data, okay, gathering data for this offer, you're going to know what's performing the absolute best because you have a lot of data. Okay, then you make the changes based off that data, and you scale with the green stuff, the stuff that is literally working, the banner that's working, the placement that's working, the country that's working, all of everything. And you scale, until profitable, and you keep going, and you keep going, and you crush it, my friends. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you learn machines later, and peace out. Woo!